this is me, Kelvin, making a new video today. Why are you shivering? I don't get it. My dog is... What the heck?
What are you doing now?
Didn't notice I had that. I see I'm gonna, probably for a while, if you guys are watching my videos, right? For a while, I'm not gonna make videos, because I'm gonna go to my grandma's and she doesn't have internet to, freaking post the video on YouTube. Yeah, and, yeah. He last message was talking to somebody, I don't know. Yeah. Sick. Hey, yo, what are you trying to be the camera for? Dude, wait. Look. Oh my god. Look, Alvin. Alvin. Look at the camera. Alvin. Good boy. You looked at the camera. Who's a good boy? Alvin, you're a good boy. Alvin is a boy. Yeah, go to sleep. Go to sleep, my bed. Go to sleep. Good boy. Good boy. Let's play with my Xbox One controller of Call of Duty. And something I noticed. There's a smiley face. Like, what? And, yeah. Bye, guys.